Alright guys, thank you so much for coming. Mwebale okwagala Badblack, mwebale okwagala eno wedding, mwebale okujja kasubire emirimu gy'owomeddwa, ebyokunywa bikyaliwo, bikyajja, and mwebale. The journey is just starting.
Guys, we thank you for coming, and I'm telling you again that it's a privilege to have you here, all of you. I know most of you, we must not be so close, but this means a lot. Like a lot of people, they'll come on my burial than in my Apex time. So I value you a lot, and I've recognized everyone. Actually, on your information, yeah, of course, money is loved, but this is emotional support. To see people who will be there for you, who will come. So I understand and I appreciate you, all of you. And I want to let you know that love all wins. I've received the money. I don't know if I'm going to sleep, but I'll sleep. So I'll always encourage all ladies in the house. If money comes and you're lucky, marry for money. If it's love without money, work together. Me, I've worked together with Slim Daddy. He has supported me emotionally, physically, loved my 4 children, and really this is the life I wanted. Before even you all know that even a billionaire put me in prison for 2 years and I served. I'm an ex-convict. By what? It was just a mere sex. Made him give me the money. Because I'm not educated, but I got the money. So this time is love, and ladies, I'll just give you an advice that money can't give you happiness. Money fills ego. Your ego. You'll go for shopping, you'll go anywhere in the world, but you will not be happy. Baba kuba chiboko. And especially those stupid women. Beauty without brain doesn't work. You strip naked for years and you'll be on street again. So me, if I find my Slim Daddy, a simple man who loves my children, cares for me for the past 6 years, I'm ready to surrender. My guns, they are barren already. So thank you so much. I'm happy for the support. I have received the money, and all the people promised me, yeah, you preach. I'll get the money from you. You all know. You can't escape. I'll remind you, and I'll just say, they promised me, and the wedding is done. No, Irene, were you lying? Were you lying on the... You say 10 million and I'll wait for you because I've supported you, and for you, it's a gallant. Yeah, I know. So thank you for coming. Others, they are still on the way. I have big sponsors here. Mchalamini, actually, Brian. I want to introduce you to Amin Mbaga Zisondedwa. I have my bosses, Play It Loud and NRG. They have been my backup. Those are my big sponsor to make sure that the wedding goes well. So any witchcraft will not work. My bosses, they can go miles for me, and we are here. And you all, you see all on the media, Play It Loud. I'm almost the biggest icon they have. I want to make my boss sure that we're gonna do this. I'm happy, Brian, you're happy, I'm in love. We get drunk together. Brian is my good friend. You're my good friend, Brian. He has lost my He can't drink. We are going to get drunk end of that day. So I love you. So I want to invite my beautiful fiancé husband to be Slim Daddy, to tell you something. I don't want you to say, oh, her man doesn't sing. She wished. He can speak. and is well educated on your information. So, Daddy, welcome on board.
Hi everyone.
Oh my God. Oh God.
I'm really humbled to be here. How are you all? So, hope it's okay. I noted my speech. On behalf of my wife and I want to thank you all for being here tonight. This moment is very special to us because it's not just a launch, but it's a celebration of love. To my wife, you are my greatest blessing, my peace, and sometimes headache. And my reason to smile every day. You have stood by me with love, patience, and strength. And tonight, I honor you before everyone here. As we move closer to our wedding, I know our journey will only grow more beautiful because it's built on love, faith, and unshakable commitment. We are all truly humbled by your presence and support. I mean you all. And we pray you continue to share our joy with you all. Thank you all, and may God bless you.
Thank you guys for coming. Let's have a good time. Cheers to Badblack and Asha. Woo! DJ.
Hi everyone.
Oh my God. Oh God.
I'm really humbled to be here. How are you all? So, hope it's okay. I noted my speech. On behalf of my wife and I want to thank you all for being here tonight. This moment is very special to us because it's not